Hi guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today we're going to do a spiral pour with different layers of emerald type colors over a gold base. And my gold is actually very much a thinner consistency. So I mix the gold with more water in hopes that the gold will start popping up through the top color and create a really magical, almost pearl-like experience. So I'm just covering most of my canvas with the gold color. And then I'm going to start to layer in a separate cup some greens. So I am working with sort of a medium green, and I'll put the exact shades in the description below. But I want dark and light layers in addition to this medium green. That's what's going to help with this spiral effect, or the rings that you might see in a ring pour. So I'm using both metallics and regular type acrylic paints here. And that also helps sort of add to the layers and the cells that form. All right, so I'm just gonna pour this into the center. Now I'm just going to tilt so that the green paint covers all of the gold. I'm just going to give it a quick torch to see if I can get more of that gold to pop through. And then I'm going to let this dry and turn this into kind of a magical forest. And now we're going to paint some trees. And painting trees is one of my favorite things to do. It's so simple and it's just beautiful and very relaxing. So we're just starting by adding some lines here in black acrylic paint. It's so forgiving. If obviously you don't want the trees to be perfectly straight. That's not how they are in nature. So you can really play around with this. All right, next I'm taking a fan brush and I'm just getting a little bit of black paint on that, and I'm actually just tapping it along the trees. I'm just making it look like there's sort of a hill here and there are trees over this hill. I love the way the gold at the top popped up, almost like it was sunset or something like that. I didn't get as much gold as I wanted to pop through, but still, I think a fun effect. All right, so this is the final piece. I even love how in the bottom right corner it looks like a river or something has sort of entered this hilly forest type piece. All right, that's all I have for today. I'll see you next time.